Welcome to Learning Subfolio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tags. First, let's discuss what tags do because they do a lot. Tags let you mark submissions, quickly search for submissions with certain characteristics, make queues for certain actions, or mark submitter accounts with certain internal information. Tags marked as external can be added by the submitter during submission. In this demo environment, I've created 3 tags. Let's open each one and discuss. The first one here is the better reject tag. You can see this one is marked as a queue, so let's discuss what that means. When readers are assigned to a submission, unless they're an admin, they can't remove themselves until they assign the submission to somebody else or complete an action, such as accepting, rejecting, voting, or in certain cases, adding a tag. If a certain tag is marked as a queue, this lets submitters remove themselves from submissions. In the case of the better reject, this means that the action taken was queuing this submission for a better rejection. Let's look at another tag. The next one is previous contributor. Let's edit it. You can see that this tag is marked as sticky. So what does that mean? This means that anyone marked as a previous contributor, such as someone who's accepted, is marked as a previous contributor anytime they submit in the future. This means you can attach information to a submitter through their last submission. Let's look at translation. This one is just a normal tag. It is not a queue and it's not sticky. This means I can mark any submission as a translation. Let's create a new tag to look at what external tags look like. Let's click New Tag here. You can see it automatically chooses colors for the tag. You can change those colors if you'd like by clicking on these and then choosing a color here. And let's name this Simultaneous Submission so that your submitters can choose to tell you that it's a simultaneous submission. Let's choose for visibility, public, and click Next. Here we have the option to mark only certain categories as allowing this tag. So I can say only the poetry category should show submitters this tag. Let's leave it as all categories and click Create. This is a draft submission I have for the poetry category. You can see reloading the page, I have a submission tags section. And if I click Add Tag, I can choose to add simultaneous submission as a tag. And if I submit, it will show up on my submission. You can see that after submitting and paying, the simultaneous submission tag is now shown on the submitter's confirmation page. If we look at our main submission list, we can see the submission is tagged as a simultaneous submission. And if we click into it, we see the same. To add more tags, you can click the Edit Tags button and add them here. It's important to note that any tag you add here, whether it's public or not, is not shown to the submitter. They can only see tags that they've added themselves. Now, let's add the previous contributor tag so we can see how the sticky tags work. And I'll close out. Now let's go and submit again and see how this works. Okay, just submit it again. You can see that in the system, the second submission is also tagged as a previous contributor. This tag is sticky and will follow the submitter anywhere until it's removed from all of their submissions. That's the end of this video. In future videos, we're going to be looking at adding automatic tagging and using tagging in review.